Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential tips and strategies for acing your information technology manager interview. We'll guide you through common questions and share insights to help you shine. So, let's get started with the first question. Can you tell us about a time when you had to act fast during an IT emergency? Interviewers ask this to see how you handle high-pressure situations and how quickly you can think on your feet. Here are some pointers on how to tackle this question effectively. Choose a specific incident with clear details. Explain your immediate actions and why you took them. Discuss the outcome and any lessons learned. Focus on your role and contributions. Be concise and direct. Let's look at an example answer to see how you could structure your response.
There was a major server outage once, and I quickly assessed the situation, realizing a critical update had failed. I rolled back the update and communicated with my team about the issue. We managed to restore the server in under 30 minutes, minimizing downtime.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Information Technology Manager. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Can you describe a time when you successfully worked with a team to complete a project on schedule? This question helps interviewers understand your teamwork and collaboration skills, especially under deadline pressure. To answer this smoothly, keep these tips in mind. Focus on a specific project and your role. Highlight how you communicated and collaborated. Explain challenges faced and how you overcame them. Emphasize meeting deadlines. Conclude with the positive outcome and lessons learned. Here's an example that ties all these elements together.
In my previous job, we had a month to implement a new software system. I set up daily stand-up meetings to keep us aligned and set clear milestones. When delays came up due to unexpected bugs, I formed a task force to address these issues, adjusting the timeline with minimal impact. We completed the project on schedule, earning positive feedback from management.
Tell me about a challenging IT issue you faced and how you resolved it. This question targets your problem-solving skills and your ability to handle complex IT challenges. Let's dive into some strategies for crafting your answer. Choose a specific IT issue you faced. Briefly explain the context to set up the problem. Describe the steps you took to solve it. Emphasize your problem-solving skills and teamwork. Wrap up with the outcome and any lessons learned. Let's explore an example to illustrate how you might answer this question.
At work, we experienced a significant server downtime during peak hours. I quickly identified a faulty update as the issue and rolled it back. I communicated with my team to ensure backups were ready, and we restored the server within an hour. This incident led us to implement a more rigorous testing protocol for future updates.
How would you prioritize multiple IT projects with limited resources? Interviewers are looking to understand your ability to manage resources and prioritize tasks effectively. Here's how you can approach this question. Identify the goals and impact of each project. Consider project deadlines and urgency. Evaluate available resources and team skills. Communicate with stakeholders about priorities. Use a scoring system to rank projects based on criteria. Now, let's take a look at an example of how to approach this.
I start by listing all projects and evaluating their impact on business objectives. I categorize them by urgency and set deadlines, then assess my team's strengths to prioritize projects that align best with our goals.
Imagine a network outage hits a large part of the organization. How would you handle and communicate this situation? This question assesses your crisis management and communication skills during critical times. Here are some guidelines to help you plan your response. Quickly assess the scale and impact on operations. Notify key stakeholders and provide updates. Implement a troubleshooting plan with the IT team. Communicate expected resolution timelines to users. Use multiple channels to ensure everyone is informed. Here's an example of how you could manage such a scenario.
First, I'd assess which departments are most affected and gather data on the outage. I would notify management and IT staff to coordinate a response and keep the organization updated every hour via email and intranet.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free. Just grab it below.